A very good morning to all. Class 5. Yesterday we had revised the multiplication and division of chapter number 5, operations on larger numbers, in which divide multiplication mentally, division also using shortcut method, and long method multiplication and division we had revised yesterday. So what we have to do today? Today we are going to revise the word problems, in which you have to write the statement and you have to show the calculation also. Let's start with the word problems of multiplication. See, a shopkeeper sold 215 mobile phones. So, a shopkeeper had sold 215 mobile phones in total. Cost of each mobile, each costing rupees 15,675. Calculate the total money he has collected through the sale. So, he sold total 215 mobiles and each mobile costing this much. Calculate the total money he has collected. So, we'll write the statement. Cost of each mobile. Okay, you have to write the statement yourself. Cost of each mobile is rupees 15,675. Okay, and number of mobile phones sold 215. So multiply it by 215. Okay, after doing this calculation we'll get the answer, total money collected by the shopkeeper. Okay, you can do the calculation in front also, or if you want to do it in the rough work you can do it there also, but you have to show your rough work also in this slide. So it's better you do the multiplication here itself. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 7 are 35, 2 37, 3 carry, 30, 33, again 3 carry, 5 5s are 25, 3 28, 2 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. Now from one side we have calculated, give this multiply symbol. Now we have to multiply by 1. 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 6s are 6, 1 5s are 5 and 1 1s are 1. Now we have completed ones and tens. So we'll put multiplication symbol. Now we have to start with the hundreds place. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13, again 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Now you have to add 1 11, 9 plus 6 15 plus 5 20, 0 2 carry, 9 9 5 14, 3 17, 1 carry, 3. 1s 10s 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is the total amount the shopkeeper collected through the sale, 33,70,125. Now you have to write statement here. Total money collected by the shopkeeper, rupees, give symbol of rupee compulsorily. Okay, rupees 33,70,125. Understood? In the same way we'll move to the next questions. A playground is this much meter long and this meter wide. Find the area of the playground. This much long and this much wide means this is of rectangular shape. Okay, area of the playground, L into B. This much multiply by this. Okay. Now when we take out the area we use the expression as meter square. This you have to write. A water tank has the capacity of this much liters. Find the quantity of water in 125 such tanks. Same. Capacity of one tank multiply by 125 such tanks. Now, a public school has this much students. If each students pay this much money for their school excursion, find the amount of money collected by the school for the excursion. Excursion means for picnic. Okay, Excursion means for picnic type sort of thing. They are going to outside. Okay. 3,127 students. Total number of students this much. Amount pay by one student. Each student this much. The answer come after multiplication, the product. That is the amount of money collected by the school for the excursion. Total amount. Now, a reputed computer firm has this much employees. If the company pays rupees 750 per employee as New Year bonus, how much money will be spent by the company? Total number of employees in the company this much. Multiply amount of money company paying as bonus to each rupees 750. Whatever answer will come, product. Total money spent by the company as New Year bonus. Okay, now come to the division problem. Okay, short method of division, and this calculation we have done yesterday only. Now today we'll start with the which, yes, what problems. Okay, see, the product of two numbers is this. Means product means multiplication. If one of the number is this much, find the other number. Children, you should know the relationship between multiplication and division. See, if we are doing 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8. This is the multiplication. Suppose this product is given. The product of two number is 8 and one of the number is given. Either 2 is given or either 4 is given. How to get the another number? If 2 is given, we will multiply this 8 by 2. 2 4s are 8. So we'll get the another number. If 4 is given, same method. 4 2s are 8. We'll get the another number 2. Understood this relationship? If product of two number is given and one of the number is given, you have to find out the other number, for which will divide the product from the first number. Like this, we'll get the second number. Clear? Yes. Our library has this much books. If each shelf, total books in the library this much. If each shelf has this much books, find out the number of shelves in the library. Okay, if one shelf of the library contain this many books and we have total books in the library this, so how many shelves are there? So we'll do the division. 56,700 is the total number of books. You will write as total number of books in the library 56,700. Books contained by each shelf 105. Therefore, answer what will take out? Total number of shelves in the library. After that, total number of shelves in the library this much divided by 105. And after this, at downside, you will show the calculation also on the page. On the similar page itself there. Now we'll divide by 105. So we'll have to take 3 digits. So 105 5 times. Is it okay? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Children, if you know now how to do multiplication and division like this, it will be very easy for you. Okay. So 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Do the minus. 2 4. This will cut down, then 0. Now 105 4s are 4 5s are 20. 4 1s are 4. So easy. One more 0 is left. Write down one, take down 0 here, and you have to write this 0 here also. We don't write 0 zeros are. Okay, minus. No. Simply put down this 0 and put 1 0 here also. So 540 shelves in the library. Understood? Now, a state government has distributed this much money among this many farmers. Find the share of each farmer. Total money distributed by the state government, total number of farmers, the share of each farmer, this divided by this. You write the value of the money and give this division symbol and then total number of farmer. Understood? Same way, Mrs. Sharma gets an annual income. This is her annual income. Annual means yearly, of the 12 months. A year contains 12 months. Annual, 12 months. Okay. This much money she gets by taking science tuition of 63 students. She gives tuition to 63 students of science and she collects this much money annually. Okay, in 12 months. Find the amount of fees charged by her per student. Okay, find the amount of fee charged by her per student. So this amount divided by number of students. So easy, na? Yes. The government distributes a scholarship of rupees this much for 255 meritorious university students annually. Meritorious means whom there is merit, the students who are really capable, who really deserve that. Okay, calculate the scholarship given to each student. Total number of university, okay, divided this divide by this much universities students. This is the number of students, meritorious university students. Okay, so total amount of scholarship distributed by the government this much, total number of meritorious students 255, scholarship amount given to each student this divided by this, and we will get the answer. So today we have revised word problem of multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you also have to solve the word problems in your copy. Okay, but which word problem you are going to solve? Let me tell you. From the division part you will do question number 4, okay, and question number 7. Question number 4 and question number 7 for the division word problem, and from the multiplication word problem, very important area, question number 4 and question number 6. Okay, so this 4 questions you have to do, 2 from the division part and 2 from the multiplication. Okay children, take care, do your work, and see you on Monday with a new chapter. We'll revise new chapter on Monday. Okay, take care, bye bye, and complete your work. Practice as much as you can. Okay.